Good morning, children. Take your English book. Now we are going to see the book exercise. Take book page number 95. I can do. See the first one. Choose the correct option. First question. Vicky's dad bought a dash robot. Trick robot. The correct answer is trick. Vicky's dad bought a trick robot. See the second one. Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Sell. The correct answer is sell. Vicky decided to sell the robot at the end. See the second one. Tick the plural forms. Tick the plural forms. Okay, what is the correct plural form of lady? Ladies. Lady, plural form, ladies. See the second one. Key. What is the plural form of key? Keys. Key, keys. See the next one. Write the plural word. First one, catch. First one, catch. The plural word is caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Second one, berry. Second one, berry. The plural word is berries. B-E-R-R-I-E-S. Berries. Catch, caught. Berry, berries. Next one. Connect the rhyming words. Connect the rhyming words. First one, strong. Strong oda rhyming word enna kanna? Along. So right here, one. Second one, call. So call similar word another, tall. Second one, tall. Back, sack. See the next one. Recite the poem My Robot with correct intonation. My Robot poem நல்லா கரெக்டா ரீட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. Next one. Circle the odd one out. First one, city. Second one, boy. Third one, book. And fourth one, Chennai. இதுல எது ஆடா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா சென்னை. ஏன் அப்படின்னா சிட்டி, பாய், புக் இதெல்லாம் காமன் நவுன். சென்னை தான் ப்ராப்பர் நவுன். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். கரிகாலன், பாரி, குமரன், லாஸ்ட் ஒன் கிங். ஸோ இதில் ஆட் ஒன் எதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கிங். பிகாஸ் கரிகாலன், பாரி, குமரன் தீஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ப்ராப்பர் நவுன். கிங் இந்த வேர்ட் தான் காமன் நவுன். ஸோ இதுதான் ஆடாக இருக்கு. தேர்ட் ஒன், பாய், கேர்ள், மேன், பூஜா. So the correct answer is Pooja, because boy, girl, man these words are common noun and Pooja is proper noun. Next one, mango, banana, fruit, apple. So the correct answer is fruit. So mango, banana, apple எல்லாம் proper noun. Fruit அப்படின்ற word தான் common noun. Next one, cow, டைகர், லைன், அனிமல். இதில் ஆட் வேர்ட் எதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அனிமல். பிகாஸ் கவ், டைகர், லைன் எல்லாம் ப்ராப்பர் நவுன் அண்ட் அனிமல்ன்ற வேர்ட் தான் காமன் நவுன். நெக்ஸ்ட், டேக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 101. Let us understand. See the first one. Match their hobbies. See the first picture. What is this? Yes, it's cycling. So match the picture with the correct word. And second one, see the picture, it's gardening. Match the picture with the correct word. And third one, see the picture, what is this? Yes, it's swimming. Match the correct word with the picture. See the second one. Choose the correct answer. First one. Das is a do-it-yourself kid. Das is a do-it-yourself kid. The correct answer is Vinod. Write the correct answer in the dash. Vinod. Das is a do-it-yourself kid. Vinod. Second one. Rosie dash a bicycle. Rides. The correct answer is rides. Rides. Rosie rides a bicycle. Third one. Raju loves cooking. The correct answer is cooking. Raju loves cooking. See the next one. Answer the following questions. First question. Who sews the cloth? First question. Who sews the cloth? The answer is Alya. A-L-I-Y-A. Alya sews the cloth. Sews the cloth. Alya sews the cloth. See the second question. What does Meghalai do with elders? What does Meghalai do with elders? The answer is Meghalai swims with elders. Meghalai swims with elders. See the third question. How does Raju help his mother? The answer is Raju helps his mother by cleaning grains and cereals. See the fourth question. What does a DIY kit refer to? The answer is DIY kid refers to do it yourself. Do it yourself. See the last question, fifth question. What is your hobby? Here you have to write your hobby name. Okay, I am going to write my hobby name. My hobby is reading books.
Now we are going to see grammar part. Homophones. Did you hear this word, Mom? No. Okay. Homo means same. Phones means sound. Homophones are words that have same sound but their spelling and meanings are different. Homophones are two words. Is nothing but two words that have same sound. Sound is same but their spelling and meanings are different. Homophones are words that have same sound. Sound எப்படி இருக்கும்? சேமா இருக்கும். ஆனா அதோட ஸ்பெல்லிங்கும் மீனிங்கும் எப்படி இருக்கும்? டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கும். For example, take see. Read this one. See. What is this? See. Both have the same sound, but their meaning and spelling are different. S E E. Here S E A. So spelling is different. What is this meaning? Sea na park. Sea means kadal. Isn't it? அப்ப இதுக்கு park. இதுக்கு கடல். அப்ப மீனிங்கும் டிஃபரண்டா இருக்குது, ஸ்பெல்லிங்கும் டிஃபரண்டா இருக்குது. ஆனா pronunciation மட்டும் சேமா இருக்கும். This is called as homophones. Is it clear for you guys? Shall we see another example? Sun. Sun. Sun என்ன? மகன். Sun na சூரியன். What is this? Sun. Sun. Both have the same sound, but their meaning is different. Spelling is S-O-N, S-U-N. Spelling also different. These words are called as homophones. Remaining we can see in our English book.
Now take your book page number 103. See the first one. Look at the picture and tick the correct word. See the picture and write the correct spelling for this word. Okay, see the first picture. This is deer. Okay, what is the correct spelling for deer? D-E-R. D-E-E-R. This is the correct spelling for deer. Next one, see the second picture. What is this? I. What is the correct spelling? E-Y-E-I. See the third one. What is this? Buy. So correct spelling? B-U-Y. Buy. See the next picture. Meat. Correct spelling for meat? M-E-E-T. Meat. See the next one. Waste. W-A-S-T-E. This is the correct spelling for this picture. And next one, right. W-R-I-T-E. Right. This is the correct spelling for right. See the next one. Connect and write the homophones in the box. Okay, first we have to write this. See the first one. First one is flower. F-L-O-U-R. Flower. And then second one, second image is sea. S-E-E. Sea. And the third image is one. W-O-N. One. Now we will connect the homophones. First one, sea. So similar homophone word edu pathina sea. So this one, one. Second one question, one. So correct word, one. Third one, flower. So homophone word, flower. Okay, see the third one. Write the homophone for the given word and draw the picture. Okay, see the first picture. This one, sun. So similar homophone word, sun. S-U-N, sun. So draw the sun picture like this. See the next one. Pick out the correct option from the given homophones. First one, I saw a dash on the flower. B. B-E-E-B. I saw a bee on the flower. Second one, the wind dash of the leaves. Blue. Blue. B-L-E-W. Blue. The wind blew off the leaves. Third one, what did you dash at the store? Buy. B-U-Y. Buy. What did you buy at the store? Fourth one, you should never dash to your parents. Lie. L-I-E. Lie. You should never lie to your parents. Thank you, children.